Good morning, traders, and welcome to Daily Call today, Tuesday, the 17th of April. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened overnight. And from the US, we saw retail sales come in at 0.6%. That was higher than the forecast. This was the first gain in 3 months, suggesting that consumer demand has regained some steam on the back of tax cuts and refunds. The US dollar, however, did not have the best of nights, as this positive data was overshadowed by the geopolitical situation between the US, China, and Russia, as Mr. Trump has accused them of playing the currency manipulation game. So it seems he is not really easing off those tensions, and he's still provoking the situation, which is all underlined against those tariffs which are being imposed. So let's see what develops on that front. Okay, time now to have a look at our chart of the day. Incidentally, yesterday's chart did not trigger, so what I found for us today is it's the Aussie US dollar. A couple of things on this one. The first notable thing that we need to look at is that we are in downtrend. Okay, the market has come down, pulling back, coming down, and continuously going down. We have also, by the line that I'm showing you here, we have formed what I like to call a triple touch, and we have produced an inside candle on that level. So the current candle right now, which has just kicked off, should this one break on the downside, we have triggered and we are all set. However, we're very close to that high, so if we break the high just over here, well, then that will spoil our setup and we would have to cancel our pending orders. So there you have it, Aussie US dollar daily time frame as a triple touch on a down trend. So let's see if this one triggers for us, or if it ends up getting cancelled out. Alright, let's have a look at what's happening in the session which is about to kick off. We have this morning at 11:30 locally, our monetary policy meeting minutes are due to be released. At midday from China, which will also affect our Aussie dollar, GDP numbers are due later in the afternoon. 6:30 this evening from the UK, we have average earnings index. GBP had a very strong night last night. As we looked at in masterclass, it did exactly what we were thinking. It broke on a bullish candle on the upside. Go back and have a look at a GBP USD chart, you'll understand what I'm talking about. So this bit of data is key if it continues to move in towards that 145 level. Lastly, from the US, we have building permits numbers which are due, and that pretty much wraps up the session. As always, guys, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you'll have a fantastic trading day. Just a point I want to make, there will be no daily call tomorrow. I am in Melbourne tonight doing a seminar. If you'd like to come along, just go to our website, admiralmarkets.com.au, have a look at the seminar section and the details will be there. It's the Sheraton. I don't remember the address off the top of my head. It's at 6:30, but just go have a look. If you do come say hello. I'd like to chat with you. Otherwise, have a great day. The daily call will be back on Thursday. Bye for now.